Okay, I think you can do it.
Okay. Reading Tower 9376 Mike at 34, ready for departure, left downwind.
Cessna 9376 Mike, tower hold short of runway 34.
So hold short of 3476 Mike.
Hold short 3476 Mike.
So in other words, he's already got an airplane out there, so we can't go out. But you can move up to those double lines, you just can't cross them. That way we'll be ready. Yeah, perfect.
Cessna 76 Mike, left downwind departure, approved runway 34, clear for takeoff.
So clear for takeoff, left downwind, 76.
Clear for takeoff, left downwind, 76 Mike.
Okay, now we're ready to go.
Marmot 211 tower, I'm not receiving your altitude. Jumper 51, right in ground, runway 34, taxi via Delta, cross 12.
Okay. All the way in with your power. There you go.
Marmot 211, the Reading Tower.
Follow 211.
I'm not receiving mode Charlie altitude.
Okay, start bringing the nose up. There you go. Perfect.
I just said the transponder model 211.
And Marmot 211, show you 3,600.
Hello,
Hey, we'll go up to 2,500. I want to see what the winds are doing further down.
Okay.
Red Bluff traffic, 76 Mike's on a 4 mile 45 for left downwind 33, Red Bluff. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now we're going to make that right turn and you're going to fly parallel with the runway. Right turn so that you got the runway on your left. Red Bluff traffic, 76 Mike, left downwind 33, Red Bluff. Okay, so you're bringing the carb heat back. And throttle about to about 16 or 17, and just got to hold the nose level so we can get in flap range. Perfect. Hold the nose up a little bit, and then you're going to do 10 degrees. There's a 10-degree mark. 1, 2, 3, and stop them. There you go. And then you go down. About 500 feet per minute. Okay, right about here is where we're turning base. So you go ahead and turn left. Red Bluff traffic, 76 Mike is left base for 33 full stop, Red Bluff. We have wind blowing us away, so this is where that square pattern, where you have to point the airplane into the wind, so that you don't get blown away. And let's add a little power, because we're getting a little low. Winds, so you can see the wind kind of blowing you, so you want to point towards the runway a little bit. And 10 more degrees of flap. I'm going to bring up the lights. Yeah, it looks. Nobody on final. You always want to look, just to be sure. Helpful. Looks good. Okay, now we're ready to turn. Red Bluff traffic, 76 Mike turning final, 33, full stop, Red Bluff. So you see the lights?
Yeah.
So they're red over red, so we're just a little low. You can add just a tiny bit of power. I think we're actually going to be all right, but yeah, there we go. But we got wind trying to keep us from, getting to the runway, which you haven't had before. Okay, now we're going to put 10 more degrees. 1, 2, 3, and stop and nose down. There we go. And you want your hand on the throttle. That's perfect. Airspeed's good. Now you can start bringing your power back. That's it. A little more back. A little more so we can come down. Nice. Look down the runway, way down. Way down the runway, that's it, still coming down. Okay, now you're gonna flatten it out. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and then little nose up. There you go. Then you just let it roll, make sure this is all off. And now you can add a little brake to slow down. I think we can make this.
Right here?
Yeah.